Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Valve here. Let's learn live here. How do you bypass completely or permanently iCloud activation lock links? This phone has been locked to owners, but by execution some tips and tricks, you will be able to wipe out or remove permanently these activation lock links. So data cable I have the connected from especially PC to this device, and right now, as we see here, guys, it has been locked to owner. But I would like to assure you that if your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, or you have got in anywhere, yes, for everything, it's a punisher. It's remedy. By a similar strategy, you will be able to wipe out the completely. So, firstly, let's open one management tool, that is iTunes. What is saying this iTunes after connecting on the screens? So see guys, it has started to assess the data. We will have to wait here and respond. So let's see back, and of course we will go for it. So it's also saying that this iPhone was lost and there is enter the Palladian password that were used to set up this device. So we will go for it to unlocks, and here also I will show you how do you especially this device after unlocking, how do you generate a new Apple ID and password, especially on this device, by a virtue of iTunes? So now, just we will go for iTunes. We will come the toolbox 2. It has been already connected, so we will come in the crash analysis. It's fetching some data. If it is not going to functional at this moment, so then you will have to change the internet connection, or of course you will have to utilize the sales area of this device, virtual private networks. It's taking time, we will have to wait. If it is taking much more time, then of course we can come. No, now it's taken, we will go in the inside, we will have to delete all. Finally we have done, guys, this one's. Now after deleting this whole file, we will have to become especially update. This one is not taking. One more, we will have to go for IPS in activate file. No, it's also not taking. So now what we have to do, guys, here, simply we will go for an administration, so that is especially imaging PC, where it is this one, this tool. We have to clear anyhow all the console data, whatever the redundant or retained file is, especially on this device, that we will have to. So we will go for closed, and thereupon we will come the device 2. Of course we will select this ones, and thereupon we will come the here will come the tool 2 here, show device the console. Now as we see, guys, here we have to declare, let's see, 4-5 times. Of course you will have to declare almost till it's not going to a white color. Yes, we will go for, let's clear. One thing more I would like to, you will have to come on this website, come in the especially ipsw.beta 2. Of course we will have to select the model number, and upon of course we will elect here beta. So this is especially 12 series, so here is a beta version, latest one, that is it was released on a 23rd July. So just we will go for here start to download. This one I had already downloaded just quickly for saving time, because the total size of this IPSW is more than 8 GB, so that's why actually I decided to firstly download and then go for execution. So where if you have the half an hour or more than half an hour, then do it, otherwise you will have the problem, guys. So now finally this one that we had the clear. On the other hand, of course we will have to come here to REC here. So let's, yes, we will go for it. We will come on here. So before going there, REC, Let's see firstly puts in this device. So almost here we will cancel and upon here see this IPS sorry, this iTunes has been especially disconnected finally, and if you see here almost we had a clear. See now till of the date 2 days are coming, so fine, almost we had a clear. 24th July is coming, so almost we had clear. We will cut this ones and the phone. This is your iTunes that has been detected. Now it's time to close this iTunes. Now it's time to also close especially this. Yes, we will go for to close this one also, not required now furthermore. Now we have the one more tool, that is a 3U tool. On this especially we have to click on the smart flash. It must flash to we will come the easy flash to we will have to select this fourth one and hit this ones to refresh. And upon here we have the options to import. So here this is beta 4. Here just we will elect to the import data, and this is here. This one I had downloaded, so just we will elect here. Now it has been imported as we see. Now what we have to do, guys, here we will come the quick flash mode. Don't go for the retain user data, otherwise the data would be remain there. So that's why actually, guys. And here this is the entity copy flash, so data won't be recover ever. So that's why you can if you want it, then you can complete. But fixed flash, this option has been given for what? This is a given for when the iOS has been the damage. In that situation especially, you can elect this. But here we will have to go with the quick flash mode because don't back delay. Yes, we will hit this once. Now see, it has been reached on 11%. Now see, we have to do nothing, guys. Just we will have to do it and the watch, guys. Otherwise, of course, 16% is done. Now we will see here especially 80, 60. See how much percentage. If any error will come below 30, then definitely we will fix, and most probably error will come especially below 30%. So we will have to wait here. And any kind of especially you are facing the challenges or issues, then of course blindly have the query below the comment box. So the pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. 30% is almost completed, so I think, let's see, I think almost it would be a 39% is how quickly and how efficiently especially it's working, guys. Now 40% is completed, so we will wait and watch here. And see, if you once again I would like to repeat, if you are facing any kinds of the challenges or issues, then the blindly have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to reply the query in course of time. Now as we see 41% is, and here's the clear message that during this the flashings, of course there's the process, the device may restart multiple times. So of course please don't unplug the device. This is very important things that we have to. And always try to use a good quality data cable spontaneously. While you're doing this, data cable should be sufficient quality, as well as of course battery backup that should be also inside especially your device spontaneously. See, internet connection should be also good quality, otherwise in the midst of that, if any error will come, that may be a responsible due to of not fetching proper server or not fetching the proper internet speed, especially by virtue of iTunes. That's why that at the end of it we will have the 2-3 steps that we need to especially execute in the on a accurate time. So just we will see, you will have to maintain the consistency too. That was till the end of this tutorial, because at the end of this tutorial 2-3 steps that is very crucial to execute execute on a accurate or on time, especially. That's why I'm requesting to was the tell them in this tutorial. The almost in here, especially I'm the 10% we have the completed. Now for maybe it will restart again and again, and maybe it will back percentage or jump directly on 100% also. So don't do anything, just keep it and leave it, especially on the whatever is the happening, especially in your computers with this device. Now 46% is, so it's taking much more time, so let's see what will happen. Right now, especially it's requesting, especially EAN data, so of course we will have to wait here. Don't do anything. And a requirement before this proceeding, especially this the procedure we need. One is that 3U2. It's a free, of course, not the chargeable data. Second one is amazing PC that trial version you can execute, and third one is especially that is iTunes. iTunes, as we know that this is management tools for especially Apple device, so that is also totally free. So through all tool, especially I will give you below the description box, and one website that is FSW Beta. There you can especially have the beta version also, easy way, so you can have that beta version too. Beta version is more efficient, guys, when you're applying to the locks, especially or bypass, not the bypass, it will work because without doing a jailbreak, if you are able to especially unlock this device, then it will be a permanent matter. And with the help of jailbreaks, yes, it will take less time. Within the 5 to 10 minutes, you can unlock with the help of jailbreaks. But after restarting, so the one thing it is going to stuck or traps in there. So now see, once again it has been reached on the 11%, 12%. So see, don't do anything. It will multiple times it will happens like that, but don't worry. We will have to wait till the, of course, the end of this. What we can, it's totally dependent on the server, guys, because after coming inside we had deleted some file that was very essential to retain, especially or to especially get easily that this device has been linked to an Apple ID when we, especially when the internet connections is going to the connection with this device. But right now, of course, we have deleted. So let's see at the end of it's able to, this device is able to catch that this device is linked to an Apple ID or not. We will see. Now almost we have done the 85%, 86%, how efficiently it's working, guys. You can imagine of here. And the timer is especially day, time, seconds, and everything is on in front of you, guys. So it's a totally live. And once again, it has been reached on the 50%, and it's writing especially metadata, or we can, guys. Multiple times it will, because the message is given on this software. During the flashing, the process, the device may restart multiple times. Please don't unplug the device. Now it has been cleaned. So the clean the now the congratulations, the clean the flash has been completed right now on this device. So we will see furthermore what's the step do we need to execute. So when it will see, guys, here when it will start to here reboot at a time, so we will have to come on there here on toolbox, guys. In toolbox we will have to wait for the highlighted of this batch activation. So it's not highlighted right now, but now it will be highlighted. Don't worry when it notify. Now it has been highlighted files. Yes, we will have to execute to this one. So directly you can the election here to go for a start. So now it has started to activating and this giving us all the setups. of initial stage. So now see, further we will see. Almost to the miles, guys. Yes, almost to the miles. Now see here, it says keeping. So this is a very crucial step. Any error will comes in here, if any error will comes, then the blindly you will have to change the internet connection, or of course use the virtual private network from there to execute on accurate times, guys. Otherwise you will have the problems. As a matter of fact, I'm the challenge, especially here is some issues on some Apple device, not on each device, but some of when it happens due to because of sales area of this iPhone device. Sales area of this device belongs to a particular country, and that's virtual private network you will have to utilize the otherwise of course you will have the problem. So almost 15-16 minutes we had completed, and still it's now see activating and escaping the setup. See, until unless it's not going to successful, we are unable to operate the furthermore actually step. So it's activating. Let's see what will happens. Now it's done, of course, successfully. It's given here. Now that we came on the hello screen, guys. See, so hello screen, just we will go for English. Now just we will come the deactivation step. So this one is also crucial. So select all the step and go for try to hit one. So we'll have to wait the 10 seconds here, guys. Don't connect any internet connection on your iPhone device, otherwise you will have the problems. Just firstly assure. So both steps we have done. Now we will do here, just we can go for an administration once again, that is a special iTunes, guys. Now it's a time to go for iTunes. As we see here, we will come here and we will wait. Just we will select and we have to wait. Now see, it has started to assess the data, and let's see what's going to happen here. Yes, it's assessing the data, but nothing message can personally set up that erase and start system the continue. So welcome to now what do you say, guys? Very easily, of course, we can go for continue with partial setup and erase start again. No, we are going for the partial setup. Now here as we see, this is a continue. So just we will go for sign in. Just we will click here, and here we have the options to create new applied and password on this. So without any internet connection, it has been the finally unlocked, guys. What do you say? Easy way at your home, not required to go at any shops. Now see here, what do we have to do? Just we will have to enter the email ID, we will have to choose the password, we will have to verify the password, we will have to select the country and the region, term and the condition, go for continue, guys. Now it's taking a little bit time, show, but finally it has been unlocked, guys, because iTunes has given the proper signals to yes generate any ID and the password. Now as we see here, it's taking a little bit time, so we would like to have the further just so we can now see completely quietly admirable, guys. Now see here, we'll go in the file inside and there is nothing. Just we will click here, sign in the manually, directly we can click on it. We don't have any ID. So if I click here, it will take a little bit time because the Wi-Fi, any internet connection is not connected. So just we will have to connect the Wi-Fi and the phone. After connection the Wi-Fi, then just simply here we will click here, see not connected in Wi-Fi. After connection the Wi-Fi, then we can generate a new Apple ID, as we know that here. But one thing more, we would like to confirm that internet, not just a SIM connection, is working or not. This is a crucial step that we need to. If it is not working, then it's a taking time. But SIM connection, let me check it out. It's calling, but nothing is. Let me once again. We have to try. Now it's SIM card is working. If the SIM card is not working, especially after doing all the things, then what we have to do, guys, here? See, it's in data cable is connecting and disconnecting. That's why maybe some region here that it's notifying again and again. Because I would like to show you how. See clearly this computer, especially you see right now, this is data cable, maybe due to some reason connecting and disconnecting. But right now, when the SIM card is not working on this device, then just go for reboot this feature. If I click here to reboot, everything will be quite clear, smoothly and good one. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, the head query below the comment box. The pleasure remains to reply of the query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.